Hey guys, Daniel here from Pacific Northwest Garden Supply with our product feature of the month, Bokashi Pro-Gro. This is an awesome fermented compost tea that's been baked, turned into little flakes that then you can introduce as an amendment to your soil or top dress if you haven't mixed it into your soil, and allows you to feed your plants about 4 to 6 weeks worth of nutrients. Now these are all micronutrients, completely organic, and allows you to basically avoid having to mix any nutrients and just mix this stuff in it, feed it water, and do really well. It's really great for veg when you just kind of want to leave your plant do its thing. It also works for a lot of vegetables. The product can also be used as a foliar spray and also as a root drench. When using this product, you will find that it does create a slight little fuzz on the top of your soil, which is actually a beneficial fungus. People mistaken it for a mold, but it actually isn't. It actually shows that the product is active and working in your garden, allowing all those nutrients to travel through the plant and making it nice and green. Now, if you ever do notice that or have an abundance of it, don't get scared. It's actually completely natural and normal for that to happen. It just shows that it's functioning properly. Used up as a way to amend your soils with enriched minerals. And it's completely organic, naturally made. And if you need to find some of this, you can find it at any PNW location. If you have any more questions about this product, please reach out to any of our knowledgeable staff and they'll be more than glad to help you. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Bokashi, get it today.